yet another episode of Knock Maths Out the Ballpark with me, Mr. Clark. It's great to see you again, once again. Can't see you, but you can see me. So today we are going to be stepping up to the final stage of our column addition. This is probably about as difficult as it's going to get in primary, and it's when we are dealing with decimals. So let's take a problem like, let's say your problem is 4.37 add 24.8. Now, this has got a lot of things going on in this problem. You've got 4 units, decimal point, 3/10, and 7/100. In this one, you've got 2 tens, 4 units, decimal point, and we've got a tenth. So this is where it gets as tricky. So what I always do, put my bigger number first. Now, you might be looking at going, which is the biggest number? That's only 4, that is 24. So 24.8, I'm going to put 24, one number per box, decimal point in on the line, and 8. Looking fresh and clean right now. Now I'm going to, once again, like I've done before in previous ones, I'm going to label this up because I want to show I understand that place value. So, tens. Units always come before the decimal point. And that means that this is our tenths column. Nice. Now I come on. I move on. Now my trick is, I put all my decimal points in advance. This is my little tip and trick for the day. Put all your decimal points in. That means your place value will never move. Now this is not about keeping it neat and tidy and trying to put the numbers in. It's about getting your place value right. That is the most important thing. So we have got the number 4.37. Now, if I look at the second line, I can see there's point there. That decimal point does not move. It is staying where it is. Okay, so that 4 is going to go here in front of that decimal point. My next numbers are 3, 7. And actually that shows us that it's 3/10 and we've got 7 in our hundredths column. So we're dealing with bigger numbers and harder numbers now, okay? So, I always get asked, what do I do with these empty boxes? My ideal thing that I do, I fill them up. I put a placeholder of a 0. That's not going to do anything to my sum, and I can do the same here, or if I want to keep it even neater and tidier, I put my add symbol in here to fill the gap. Now, I've forgotten my ruler today, so I'm going to have to use my muscles and keep my hand nice and tense, and I'm going to draw my line across. Of course, if you're doing this for your teacher, you make sure you use a ruler. There we go. Fresh and clean. Right, once again, I start on the right hand side. Now this is no harder than anything we've ever done before. We've got our decimal points in a line. We've got all our numbers in their columns. So let's start off with our hundredths. 7/100 plus no hundredths makes 7/100. 8/10 plus 3/10 makes 11/10. So we can't fit 11/10 in. 11/10 is the same as 1/10 and 1 unit. So you can see it still looks like the number 11, but we like to talk about it as tenths. So that is 11/10. Now we come on to our units. 4 units plus 4 units. 4, you should know your doubles by now, and that is 8. Don't forget what's underneath though, and that is 9 units. Now we move on to our tens. We've got 2 tens, nothing underneath to add, and we've got nothing there. We've just got our add symbol, so we finish our question, and we've got the answer 29.17. Not 17, but 0.17. Once again, I've knocked this problem out of the ballpark, and on my journey, I'm now one step closer to becoming the Beyonce of maths.